What's up, guys? Dominic here, and today I'm going to teach you how to make a mob volcano. But it's I need to fix this part because this part is sticking out, and I need to fix that. But this is the way how you make it, so I'm going to demonstrate how to show you. So it's all four, so 1, 2, 3, 4. Then 4 up. 1, 2, 3, 4. Wait. Oh wait. Yeah, that's all 4. 4 up. 4 in that little square. Crap, I messed that part up. And keep this part out. Then you're gonna need the dispenser. Go put those up. And I'll mostly use a witch egg. I saw this off of a YouTube video. I'm just showing you guys how to make it. Okay. I need this, then I need to started doing this late because I'm busy all the time. But I'm gonna put, wait, why do I have 264? Don't flick it yet. And where's my fence? I need my fence. Then, okay. I'll start off with my creepers because they're less laggy. And you can just spam, wait, forgot about to put it. And just start spamming. It will hurt them, but just keep going as much that you want. Then put one blazing there. Then you start zombie picking. But you need to learn, when you use this, you don't have to keep spamming hit the mobs. But it gets laggy out. But the lag comes off, and then I'll do a witch. It's hard to figure out the right way to do it, but then you wanna remove this because if you just leave that there, they're just okay, if you're in survival and you get too close, you see fireballs coming out of the volcano. It's already smoking. It looks like that. But that's one of my experiences I was trying. To leave it down, and whoosh. But if you want it to stop, just change it back into easy, get them away, then change it back to hard. And this is my volcano. Then I'm gonna finish. Then I'm gonna show you what it looks like for the mob volcano. I used it already. But I'm not putting the fence down. And then zombie pigmen. Yeah, you can kill the ones that are in your way. Then put, I found the way not to lag it. Okay, creeper, zombie, pigmen, blaze. Okay, it's not that laggy, but still kind of. But then, guys, I would put mobs around here. It would be really cool. It looked really cool. It's there's mobs on the volcano, and they're everywhere. The mobs are everywhere. and like they're having a fun time. Then well, it gets laggy at one point. Now I'm going to. Oh my goodness, the volcano has erupted. Oh man. The volcano. And, yep. Sorry this is the short video, but just showing you guys how to make a mob volcano, but I would block that up if I were you and redstone it. I didn't redstone it today, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Leave a like, leave a comment, and use these things that I use in the video, because it's fun. It's fun to do, but bye guys, yeah.